Welcome to Creative Writing, the online remote version. This is Mr. Ward, and you are getting a special edition of what I call Wardy Screencasts. Those of you who had me in Writing Workshop Language Arts, you're used to these. If you have not, you're in store for some good stuff. This one's just going to be a very quick overview of what's going to kind of be the plan for this week and moving forward, just so you have an idea. So let us get into the overview, shall we? So every day you should check Google Classroom. I'm going to post one assignment this week. You'll have one task every day, but I'm going to post one Google Doc for the entire week. In that you will see basically, you'll see three things. For each day you'll see a learning intention or goal, a link to a brief video. Today's might be a little bit longer, but I'm going to try to keep them to 2 minutes or less. And then you'll have a 15-minute or so writing task. Focus on that day's writing intention. So it might say, hey, almost like our do nows we've done this year. Continue the story, but focus on using descriptive words, if that was the focus of the video. And that'll be it. If you have questions, just want to see me, I miss you. Hopefully, you're missing me a little bit as we get into week 2 of remote learning. Tuesday, Thursday from 1 to 2 this week is Class H. Look at the email Dr. Oswald sent out. Friday, there are changes to office hours for teachers this week. It's going to go day 5 on Monday, day 6 Tuesday, day 5 Wednesday, day 6 Thursday, then all 8 periods on Friday. And Class H will be 1 to 2 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday this week. And I believe 1:30 to 2 o'clock on Friday. So, questions, let me know. You can do the whole thing at once if you want, or just day by day. I'm trying to keep it brief. I want you focused on your core classes, language arts, science, math, social studies, but I also want to give you stuff. So that's going to be this week. Moving forward, we'll work on individual stories. That's kind of the focus of the second marking period anyway, and I'll explain more as we get into it, but basically give you time to write an individual story every day. I'll start with like a 2 to 5 minute video lesson. And again, this is not this week, this is following weeks. 2 to 5 minute video lesson. You'll write individually for about 15 minutes, and that's all I want you to do. If you choose to do more, get really into your stories, awesome. But write for about 15 minutes. I'll check your Google Docs and make sure you're doing it. And the picture storybooks, I'm going to put on hold till we get back to in-person class for a couple reasons. One is half of you are working with partners, so that may be difficult to do at home. The other is I think just kind of talking about drawing and creating a book is something best done in class in person. So I'm going to go through them, put feedback. Don't feel the need to do anything with it at this point. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Meet up with me in the Google Meet office hours Tuesday, Thursday 1 to 2, and I believe Friday 1:30 to 2 p.m. And other than that, Wardy is